Differentiate symbolic from literal. In Revelation, 3 times po sinabi, the moon and the star fell to the earth. Guys, symbolic yan, hindi po literal. May iba na, babagsak. I mean, guys, hindi mo na kailangan ng 1/3 ng star mag-fall sa earth. No? Isa pa lang, ubus na ang earth. Diba? So, 3 times nangyari sa Book of Revelation. Tapos, galit pa sila sa huli. Galit pa sila. Buhay pa yung mga taong to. Mas madaling paniwalaan na symbolic lang yun. No? In fact, that's how ancient writings write when they're talking about God destroying a nation. Hindi buong mundo a nation. Gamitin nila yung word star and the moon fell. Si David, when he talks about God destroying his enemies, the star and the moon, and God will come and lightning and us. Masahin siya. Kaaway niya lang pinag-usapan niya. That's how they write. Sino magdi-decide kung ano symbolic, ano literal? Yung taong sinusulatan. Naintindihan mo, hindi ikaw. It doesn't make sense sa Pilipino. Ano ba raining cats and dogs? But it makes sense sa mga Amerikano. Sabihin lang malakas ang ulan. Mag-a-adjust tayo dun sa culture, dun sa countries, dun sa nagsusulat. Mag-a-adjust tayo sa Bible, no, sa culture nila. You don't decide what's symbolic, what's literal. You ask yung culture na sinusulatan. No? Sabi, pag makes sense, literal. Pag it doesn't make sense, then symbolic. It's not like that. No, it's what makes sense to those people.